So here I discovered something very interesting, very striking to me. Like when I went through my plantations, I feel like I'm still walking under the rainforest. When the raindrops are falling, it feels and it gives me an extra feeling that I'm inside this rainforest. So when the raindrops are falling from the ground, so it feels like I'm underneath the rainforest. The floor of the plantation, and then the trees, and the difference of the light brightness. So when we enter into this sort of plantation, I feel like I'm inside a rainforest. So when I walk through it, I feel an excitement. So this is what I'm sharing. So we need to plant more trees. We need to grow forests within our yards. You see. So you see, like it's flowing like a stream. The drain becomes a stream in rainy days, and then all the plants got nourished in this rain. So this is my small garden plantation. So you see, I have some plantation all along this. So this is what I observed today. I'm very thrilled and interested. So people, let's plant trees so that you have your own rainforest inside your yard. You see the difference. You see all the differences. So this is what you can feel: the nature, the beauty of the nature, the chirping sound of the birds. You can hear all around here. So people, let's plant trees so that you can grow your